Hello YouTube, it's your boy Sleep Six coming at you with another episode. So, here's why I got the brakes right here because I had to get towed back. Long story short, the vent's down. So, basically I'm missing gears. I could show you that in a minute what it's doing. But besides that, what we're gonna get into today, about to put a spoiler on this. I think it's gonna look nice. I wish there was some other options. I was looking at the one that goes down and kind of diagonal its corner. I was looking at some couple other DuckTales, the one with the holes, but they all stop like right here. Like, why can't they go right here? So most options stop right here. Kind of like it, but I'm gonna put this one on. I'm gonna show you what I got. So as I took out the box, I got this spoiler right here. It's similar to a Spoiler King. If you're familiar with that, just like the one I had put on my my Challenger window, but it's not a Spoiler King. This is spoiler I found on eBay, but it's not a Spoiler King. So got the same concepts. Just, you could just put this on the back, the tip of it, and just peel the tape, and do like that. I'm trying to install this before it rains, hopefully. So, see how it works. So, give you an idea of where it's gonna sit at. So I kind of don't like the fact that it will sit something like that. So I'll show you when I get it mocked up right and lined up. Alright, so I had placed it on here already. I had cleaned it already. Areas I was gonna lose. See my rag. So basically, it's looking real kind of fleshy, kind of like it. Right, exactly where I want it to be at. So, not too bad, not too bad. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out and I'm just gonna complete it. Alright, so after pressing on it and pushing it forward a little bit on these corners, I think these gaps are pretty good. Yeah, I could live with it. Yeah, so this is a cheap mod. I didn't really pay way too much for this. See what the front shot look like. Yeah, that's looks so much more better. That helps with the car, so So that's a good win on our parts right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a cold start, and we can talk about what's the plan to move forward on with this build right here. So let me get to it and get into the car. Oh, the feeling of sitting low. Whew. Something different. So back to action. As you can see, I have no gears. So transmission line either broke or transmission is gone. So I'm planning on to get a rebuild transmission to fix that, so we can have some gears and we get this car moving again. It broke out on me. The funny thing about it, it broke out on me when I was trying to go to a mechanic guy to fix this check engine light and stuff, and other things that I may not know about this car. My glove box, I'll put a glove box in there soon. I took it out. It was the previous owner had this thing holding it together right here. So I just took the whole thing apart. So I'm gonna get a whole nother glove box in there. I'm going to do some more interior work in here. Some more lights. Fix the light problem for the front. We already fixed the back lights. So definitely I'm planning to do some rails here. Yep. She still sound good though. She just needs to get the transmission working again. So I mean, so other than that, we just gotta get the Y-Body on. I purchased. About to get it wrapped. You already know. Got to get the car wrapped. It's gonna be dope when I do get wrapped. The idea that I got. I feel like no one has like really done this type of wrap. So I'm probably gonna be first. So that's what I got going with that. far as the other cars, I'll be doing stuff to them too. So stay tuned for my people that follow me, because my Challenger, that's gonna be getting fixed soon. Got parts coming for that, and I will tell you what happened with that. So stay subscribed and give you an update on that. The Acura, I can tell you what's going on with that. Right now, I'm trying to do like some what's called exterior work, like the bumpers, the hood, and try to get painted. I do want to boost that thing. I really, really do. But until I can find me another daily, I will. I will boost it, but just gotta find a daily. Hopefully, that they will do its part for as a car to take me back and forth to my little job every day. So right now, the K20 is my daily. So don't see, but it's definitely gotta get that K20. I have so many people ask me about this car. Think it's boosted, it ain't boosted yet. I can't wait to put a turbo in here and get about 400 horsepower, and hopefully I could supercharge that too and make some good horses in there too. Cool to have a car with 600 horses, you know. See what that feel like, and we're gonna see what it take us from there. So thanks for tuning. Catch y'all again at the next video. Peace.